Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we will be solving this problem from grade 7 mathematics. So let's start. So the problem says from the sum of this expression and this expression, subtract the sum of this expression and this expression. So what do we need to do? We need to first add these. So let's say the first expression is A, the second expression is B, the third is C, and the fourth one is D. So we have to add A and B. So we write it down as A plus B, and we also have to add C and D. So we write it as C plus D. Now from the sum of A and B, we have to take away the sum of C and D. So that means we have to do A plus B minus. So because we have to subtract the expression which we will get after adding C and D, we will put it in a bracket. So let's find out A plus B. So A plus B will be equal to 4x plus 2y minus 3z. This is A, and we have to add B, negative y minus z. So when we add these two, we will get, the moment we open the bracket, the signs will remain the same and we get minus y minus z. Now let's bring the like terms together and let's first see what are the terms of this expression. The terms are 4x plus 2y minus 3z minus y and minus z. So we'll bring 4x only. So the term, the 4x is alone. It has no other like term. So we have now plus 2y. So minus y and plus 2y are like terms. Then minus 3z and minus z are like terms. So let's simplify. 4x plus y and minus 3z and minus z. This will give us minus 4z. Let's add C and D. The expressions C and D. So when we open the bracket, the signs won't change because we are adding. So we get minus 6, minus y and minus z. Let's look at the terms. What are the terms? Minus 4x, minus 2y, minus z, minus x, minus y and minus z. So let's bring the like terms together. So we get minus 4x minus x, minus 2y minus y, minus z minus z. So let's simplify. So this minus 4x and minus 1 becomes minus 5x, minus 2y and minus y becomes minus 3y, minus z and minus z becomes minus 2z. So this is C plus D. So now let's, so we earlier discussed that from the sum of A and B we have to take away the sum of C and D. So let's do that. So A plus B, from A plus B we have to take away the sum of C plus D. So what is A? How much is A plus B? 4x. It is 4x plus y minus 4z. And we have minus and then C plus D is minus 5x minus 3y minus 2z. So now here whenever we are subtracting and there is a minus sign outside the bracket, the signs will flip. So let's look at the terms. The first term is negative 5x. Because of the negative sign outside, it will become plus 5x. Second term is negative 3y. And again, because of the negative sign outside the bracket, it will become plus 3y. The last term is minus 2z. So because of the negative sign outside the bracket, it will become plus 2z. Now let's again look at the terms. So the terms are 4x, y, negative 4z, positive 5x, positive 3y, and positive 2z. So now let's bring the like terms together. So we have 4x plus 5x, these two are like terms, plus y plus 3y minus 4z plus 2z. Now let's simplify. 4x plus 5x is 9x, y plus 3y is 4y, and negative 4z and positive 2z is negative 2z. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Good